It's new day and new learnings. In today's video, let's have a quick tutorial on how to zoom out in Google Slide. Open your Google Slide. Select an existing presentation. Once you open your Google Slides presentation, go to the menu bar and click View. A drop-down menu will appear, then click Zoom and select Zoom Out. Or you can just press Ctrl-Alt-sign on your keyboard to zoom out. Your Google Slides presentation will be shrunk on the screen after you choose Zoom Out. Another way to zoom out in Google Slides is using the toolbar section. In your Google Slides presentation, click the Zoom function in the toolbar section. A drop-down menu will appear, then select Zoom Out. So that's it. Easy, right? Hope you enjoy watching this video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more. And if you have any suggestions for future videos, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.